Today we're working on a York Affinity series variable capacity outdoor unit, and we've got a bad transducer plug, okay? The inside of this plug is pretty nasty. Why? Because when the manufacturer put together this unit, they had too much tension on this harness and this wire, and it pulled away. Okay, and when it pulled away, it left an opening so that water could enter. And what happens when water enters? This unit hasn't been installed but maybe 2 years, and when water enters here, it corrodes, and then you have a failure point. I'm going to show you where the transducer is and show you why you need this. So why you need this is because you need a readout. On this unit, you have a display, and it displays for the pressure transducer, the discharge, it displays this readout. So you can automatically see from the outdoors, at the outdoor unit, this display shows the pressure. So you need that. If you don't have that working properly, you're not going to have a display, and it's going to cause an error. That error code for me was discharge sensor open. And then what I did was I opened up this panel here, and you can swing the panel out because it's got these louvers. I really like that design. But this right here is the pressure transducer. See that pressure transducer? So I automatically measured, you got 4.5, 5 volts DC. Automatically was measuring. I wasn't getting my outputs, and I knew that we had a problem. So what I did was I checked the transducer, and it was the plug. Make sure you check the plug. In this case, I've got to change both because I've got water in there going down to my pressure transducer, and it done the same thing to the transducer's connections, the contacts, that it did to this little plug here. It ruined it, okay? It corroded it. So I've got to change it, but make sure that you check your plug, because you could have a simple failure like this, where when it was installed, there was too much tension on this, and it pulled away, the wires pulled away from the plug, and then water entered, and it ruined this. So now I've got to order this. On the parts, I think the parts list, it was like 53 or 54. And if you need any information in regards to this issue, just leave a comment below, guys. I want to help you, and check out my Patreon/Tatty Digest for my contact information. If you guys want technical support, I can help you out in the field to be able to solve your problems faster and help you. So guys, thanks for watching. This is a very efficient system. It's got a master communications board where that readout is for your pressures, your superheat subcooling, your inverter board for driving that 3-phase compressor and that fan motor. And then we've also got a reactor, and then we've got a way to smooth out the voltage coming in to the inverter board. So really nice setup and super efficient. I've installed quite a few of these Affinity series systems, and I haven't had many issues. So I think the only issues I have had is don't hook the red wire up because you'll burn this board up. And then I've had a module for the outdoor fan go bad, which is on the back side of this. And then of course I've had that discharge transducer plug. So far, not a lot of issues, no major failures like compressors or anything. So just an update. If you want more videos, check out my playlist, Tips for Technicians.